Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve the one more question on a less than 500 rating, which is chef and donation. Okay, so in a certain month chef earn X rupees while chefina earn Y rupees such that Y is greater than X. Okay, so since they wanted to earn exactly the same amount, so they decided to donate the difference between their income to the charity. Find the amount they donate in a month. So the chef and chefina earns a money X and Y. Okay, and such that chefina earns more than the chef. Okay, so you just have to, since they want to end up with exactly same amount, so they decided to donate the difference between their income. Okay, so they decided to donate the income, the difference income, okay, between their. So let's suppose chef earns X rupees and chefina earn Y rupees, so their difference will be donated to the charity. Okay, so let's suppose chef earn 8 rupees and chefina earns 10 rupees. Okay, it is always said that chefina is earned greater than chef. Okay, so their difference will be 10 minus 8 will be 2, so they donate to the charity. Okay, so you just have to find the charity amount. Okay, so I guess you can do it by your own, just subtracting the chefina income minus chef income. You just have to subtract it. Okay, this will be charity amount. This will be your charity amount. So I guess you can do it by your own. So let's do this. First you have to create number of test cases, which is t, and then t minus minus is greater than 0. You just have to check. You have to first take the chef income, int chef, and then chefina also. You just have to take cn chef and chefina amount. Okay, you just have to take chef and chefina amount, and then you just have to do cout chefina minus chef amount. Okay, which will be the charity amount. You just have to end it and return it. So I hope you understand the basic understanding of the pseudo code. So let's do the code here. This is the pseudo code. So let's write the code here. First you have to take the int t, and then cnt, while t minus minus is greater than 0. You just have to take int x comma y, and then cn x comma y, and then you just have to do cout y minus x. Okay, and then you just have to end it. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. This has been submitted. Thanks for watching.